I mentioned that we had two presses at the package print workshop this year, and the Flexo press is manufactured by the Danish company Nilpeter. And I have with me Paul Teachout from Nilpeter, who's going to be talking about what they're doing at the workshop. Paul, most people see Nilpeter as a label printing press. What makes this particular press, the FA4, suitable for flexible packaging?
We've done a lot of enhancements over the years to improve the process of flexible packaging on the equipment, to take it from a label press to a flexible packaging machine. A lot of that entails the web transportation system, being able to efficiently move that type of material through the machine from unwind to rewind, chill roll systems, the full automation system, the tension packages that are now offered on the presses make it very, very suitable for the wide range of flexible packaging substrates.
What is the specification of the press that you've got at the workshop that you're going to be running flexible packaging?
The press that we have here today is an 8-color FA4 asterisk. It is a 420 millimeter wide, 175 meter a minute machine. 8 colors with full automation. It's a triple axis servo press, meaning that there's rotational servo motors on all the analogs, the impression roll, and the plate sleeve. So it's a fully automated machine with full automation on all the print head controls for the inking, the registration, the impression. So that there's basically no manual adjustments on the machine. It is all done through the automation.
And obviously, if you can produce flexible packaging, it can also produce labels and other types of packaging?
Absolutely. I mean, it's still the core product would be labels. The press is still outfitted to run labels. It still has a die station and converting section on it, as well as many other features can be added to the machine as far as hot foil, cold stamping. We can add gravure, we can add rotary screen. There's multiple other processes we can add to embellish the label or the decoration of the product. But the press, outfitted the way it is today with the chill rollers, the web tension control system, and the full automation, it makes it an ideal solution for narrow web printers to get into the flexible packaging market, to be able to take those shorter runs from the wider web companies that can't handle the short runs. And the added features allow us to embellish them a little bit further in line versus then offline processes.
So you're adding value in line?
We're adding a lot of value in line,
yeah,
in the narrow web sector.
Okay. Now I know you're going to be running two types of job at the workshop and changing from one to another during the demonstration. What are the jobs you're going to be running for us?
Yeah, we're going to be running two samples today, both 6-color samples, so we can show the exchange of components in the plate cylinder sleeve or the plate sleeve. And we'll be able to show a job recall and save scenario. What's great about the automation on the FA4 asterisk is it has with all the automation there, it allows us to collect data on each job. When we collect data, that means we can store it, save it, and then recall it in the future. So the production runs that we run today can simply be recalled in the future to run the same label tomorrow as we ran today with minimal operator intervention. So we're going to be running two 6-color samples today on Synthagra's synthetic capsule material. We're going to be running the sachets, the capsule chassis, and we're going to do a quick change after that to show the complete features of the FA4.
Okay, I mean, for those who haven't seen the demonstration, can you give us a quick run through from unwind to rewind?
Yes, we have from the unwind, 1 meter diameter, 500 kilo capacity unwind. Both the unwind and the rewind are both directly controlled by the automation as well for the tension system, so we can unwind and rewind these extensible materials very accurately. And then entering into the press, we have individual tension zones that allow that material to be transported through the machine very efficiently, from the in-feed to the print pacing to the out-feed. So there's actually 4 tension zones in the machine that allow us to transport this material very efficiently. We'll be running in 6 colors on 6 stations that have 7 servo motors per print station, 3 on the rotational axis, 4 more controlling all the print controls. So the entire operation is captured in the automation, and from unwind to rewind, the transportation of the substrate as well as all the printing parameters can be stored in the job save system so they can be recalled in the future. And this press also has the ability to store that information and recall it off a wireless tablet. So the entire press operation can be controlled through wireless tablet, through remote access, and it makes it a very, very efficient platform to run these types of materials.
Any special substrates or inks that you're running that are important for food production or anything like that?
The substrates we're running today are the Synthogra, but we can run a wide range of substrates, from shrink sleeve materials to sachet materials to in-mold label materials. So we can run a wide range of materials through the tension systems that allow us to do it very efficiently. We're running the ink system from Flint, which is the Ancora FlexoCure. It's a UV ink and it's a low migration system suitable for many food applications. So between the substrate capability, the ink systems that we're running, the effectiveness and the transportation system of the FA4 Asterix, it makes it an ideal solution for the short run narrow web market to capture a lot of the work, like I said, that the wide web companies just can't handle.
I'm sure there are a large number of Nilpeter users out there who've got machines of a similar type. Is there a steep learning curve for them to switch to this type of production? Is there a set of new skills they have to learn? Or
Obviously the different materials create a little bit of a challenge just because of their extensible nature, their non-porous nature. Inks and transportation react a little bit differently running through the machine. But it's a relatively modest learning curve. It's very easy and efficient to learn how to run this machine. Just due to the operation of the tablet controls and the main operator control panel. And the press is really designed for the generation of tomorrow. With a workforce that keeps getting older and older and older in our industry, and the lack of talent that we're able to get to go from the old mechanical driven machines to these new state-of-the-art automation machines, disruptive technologies has really taken effect. So really, if the workforce of tomorrow is familiar with a tablet and a smartphone, this press is very intuitive to be able to learn how to operate and manage these materials through the press.
sounds like it's going to be a fascinating demonstration. Thanks very much, Paul. If you want to know any more about this or any other Nilpeter technology, you can go and find them in Hall 7. Go and see Paul or any of his other colleagues. Thanks for watching.